Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today, we are going to learn exercise of lesson 12, page number 65. Okay, learning grammar. In this exercise, we are going to learn about adverb. Okay, what is adverb? Okay, we are going to learn about adverb. I hope you understood the Rohini's wisdom story. Let's go for the exercise. Okay, page number 65, learning grammar. In this, we are going to learn about adverb. Okay, so what is adverb? Adverb means nothing but it describes about the verb. It gives more meaning about verb. Okay, it gives a clear meaning in the sentence. That is the adverb. Adverb means nothing but it simply adverb describe the verbs. Okay, in the sentence, adverb describes the sentence. Adverb talks about the verbs. Okay, here they give one example for us, that is Rohini replied quickly. So here, which is the verb? Replied is a verb. Reply, replied. Okay, so replied is a verb. Quickly is a adverb. Remind, my dear children, many adverbs are ending with ly, but some adverbs are not ending with ly. Okay, many verbs are ending with ly, and some adverbs are not ending with ly. Okay, some verbs are ending without ly. Okay, so here quickly is an adverb describing reply. So here reply is a verb and quickly is a adverb. So Rohini replied. So it gives meaning. So if we ask to someone else, they gave replied. But at what time? When they gave? After some times, otherwise after asking question quickly or often. So here quickly is the adverb. That means Rohini replied very fast. Okay, Rohini replied quickly. So when we finished our question, so immediately she gave a reply to the person. That is quickly. Okay, Rohini replied quickly. So here quickly is adverb. Adverb is describing the verb. So in this sentence, replied is a verb. Let's go for the other exercise. Okay, match the verbs in a list A with adverbs in list B. So these are the verbs. Okay, speak, move, sleep, examine, write. So these are the verbs, and this side list B, these are the adverbs. These are the adverbs. So now we are going to match the with the correct adverb to the verb. So if we choose which adverb, it describes the correct verb. So the first verb is speak. So speak is a verb. So now we are going to choose the correct adverb to the speak. Okay, so here list B is given for you as a adverb. So first one is slowly, neatly, carefully, soundly, loudly. So speak is a verb. So you may choose which adverb is suitable for the speak. Speak slowly, it's right. Speak neatly and speak carefully. Let's see, speak loudly. So when we are going to speak, that time we should speak loudly, not slowly, not neatly. Okay, we should speak loudly, then others can hear our voice. So speak loudly. So loudly is a adverb, speak is a verb. So loudly means it describes the verb. So speak loudly, it gives a clear meaning and describing to the verb. So second one is move. Okay, move loudly, it gives a meaning. What? Move loudly. But speak loudly, it gives a correct meaning, no, and suitable for the verb also. Speak loudly. So move means we have to move one place to another place. So for that, which adverb is suitable for the verb move? Move soundly, carefully, neatly, slowly. So move slowly. Okay, move slowly. Okay, and sleep is a verb. Which adverb is suitable for the sleep? Sleep neatly, carefully, soundly. So sleep soundly. Sleep soundly. And examine. Next one is examine. Examine neatly or carefully. So examine carefully. So when we supervising to the examiner, we should careful. There some mistake should be happen or something should be happen in that place. So that time we should be careful as the examiner. So write neatly. Write neatly. So this is the list. A is a verb and we are choosing correct adverb for the suitable verb. So speak loudly, move slowly, sleep soundly, examine carefully, write neatly. Okay, so adverb means is nothing but adverb is describe the verb. That means adverb gives more meaning to the verbs. When we add to the verb as an adverb, it gives more meanings. Okay, and now next exercise is fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks with the suitable words given in the box. So here we are having some adverbs. Yes, no, I told you early. Yes, my dear children, many verbs are ending with ly. Adverbs. Many adverbs are ending with ly, but some verbs are there without ending ly. Okay, so here fast is an adverb, but there is no ly, but that is also adverb. Some verbs are there like that. Okay, immediately is an adverb, carefully is an adverb, fast is an adverb, and sadly is an adverb. So here they are giving one passage. In that we are going to choose and we are going to fix the correct adverb. So the child was ill. So one child was ill. He has some sick, fever or cold or cough, something else. But the child was ill, and the father was sitting. One child was ill, and maybe that child father was sitting, and dash. So the child was ill. If our child, okay, for example, if you are not feeling well, okay, as you are small child, you are studying third standard. If you are not feeling well, okay, as a teachers in the classroom also, if you are not feeling well, those who are in your class, the teachers are not happy. Okay, likewise at home also, if you are not feeling well, your parents are not happy. Okay, they should be sadly, they should be look as a sadly. So here also the child was ill. One child was ill. Her or his father was sitting sadly. So here the suitable adverb is sadly. And next sentence, he sent a man to call for the doctor, and the father sent one man to call the doctor, because the father cannot go, no, he have to be with a child, and he called one man and he sent to the that man to call the doctor. Okay, so call doctor immediately. Yes, when we are not feeling well, we should go immediately to hospital, otherwise at home we can't, more sick we can't go. That means we should call the doctor immediately. Okay, we should call the doctor immediately. And the man walked. Okay, which man the father sent to call the doctor? That man, he went fast. He is not going slowly, but he went fast to call the doctor. He went fast to call the doctor. The doctor came and examined the child. So the doctor came and the doctor checked the child very carefully. What happened? Why the child got sick? What type of the problem? So the doctor should check carefully to the child, because he is a child. He cannot say what type of problem it has. Okay, so the doctor should check carefully to the child. Yes, dear children, once again I read out the passage. Please listen. The child was ill. The father was sitting dash sadly. Okay, the suitable adverb is a sadly. So the father was sitting. Okay, so here sadly is a adverb. It describes the verb sit. Okay, and he sent a man to call for the doctor. He sent is a verb, to call the doctor immediately. So immediately is a adverb. It describes the doctor. Call. The man walked. So walk is a verb, and fast is a adverb. Fast, walked fast. So adverb is give meaning to the verb when it joined to the verb. The doctor came and examined the child. So the doctor came and the doctor checked the child carefully. Yes, dear children, adverb means nothing but it gives more meaning to the verb. When verb and adverb join together, when we add to adverb to the verb, that time the sentence gives more meaning. That means adverb describe the verbs. Adverbs talks more about the verbs. That is the adverb. Okay, I hope you understood the adverb. What is adverb and how we have to use and where we have to use. Okay, again I am telling, adverb means nothing but adverb is describing the verbs. When we add adverb to the verb, the sentence gives more meaning and clear meaning. Okay, and when you are talking in English, try to use these adverbs in your sentence. Thank you and have a nice day.